Hello everyone, today I am going to make a very easy wire wrapping design for an earring. I am making this with 26 gauge copper enamel wire. I am using 2 wires here and making a loop in the middle of the wires like this, you can see here, and wrapping the both wire. Now I have 4 wires here. These are some 4 mm multicolored crystal beads, and now I am going to insert these beads to make this design. I inserted the bead in the second wire and wrap the first and second wire tightly. Then I am going to wrap the third wire with the second wire. Now I am adding a second crystal bead here in the third wire, and now at first I am wrapping second and third wire, then the first wire, and then the fourth wire. Now I am separating the 4 wires in 2 streams, 2 wires in the right side and 2 wires in the left side, and twisted both wires, and then you have to make a round shape here. To make this round shape, I insert 2 crystals in both wires and then twist the both wires 3 times. Follow this procedure both sides. Now I am going to add the 4 wires. Just twist the 4 wires together 2 to 3 times. Now you can see the shape almost a round shape. Now I am going to add these drop shaped crystals in the bottom of the earring. Now the design is ready for making earrings. Here is my earrings. How is it? Do you like this? If yes, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Tata for now. Have a nice day.